Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Bobcat Vlog, which enlightens us with numerous health benefits. Today, we will be introducing a very special fruit that have many health benefits. So please, subscribe, like, share and hit the notification icon. For thousands of years, people have grown grapes, including various prehistoric civilizations that admired them for their ability to produce wine. Additionally, grapes are an easy and delectable snack that you can have at home. They come in a variety of hues, including pink, black, yellow, red, green, and red. They can be found in a variety of forms, including raisins, jellies, and juice. There are both seeded and seedless variants. The high nutritional and antioxidant content of grapes is primarily responsible for the abundance of health advantages they provide. The top 15 health advantages of grapes are listed below. 1. Packed with nutrients. Grapes, which are loaded in nutrients, are a good source of copper and vitamin K. While vitamin K is needed for blood clotting and strong bones, copper is a crucial mineral involved in the creation of energy. Additionally, grapes are a significant source of the B vitamins thiamine, riboflavin, and B6. While B6 is mostly needed for protein metabolism, both thiamine and riboflavin are essential for growth and development. 2. Could reduce blood pressure. Evidence suggests that potassium largely lowers blood pressure by aiding in artery and vein dilation. Additionally, it might aid salt excretion and stop vein and artery narrowing, both of which would raise blood pressure. 3. Might lower cholesterol. By reducing cholesterol absorption, substances in grapes may help prevent excessive cholesterol levels. Grape compounds may reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, preventing heart disease. 4. High antioxidant content. Free radicals, dangerous molecules that lead to oxidative stress, destroy your cells. Antioxidants are substances that aid in cell repair. Diabetes, cancer, and heart disease are just a few of the chronic health disorders that oxidative stress is linked to. Many potent antioxidants can be found in abundance in grapes. The skin and seeds of the plant have the highest concentration of antioxidants. However, a number of variables, such as grape variety, ripeness, post-harvest storage, and environmental factors, may have an impact on their concentration. 5. Might improve eye health. Several substances found in grapes, including resveratrol, lutein, and zeaxanthin, may aid in the prevention of common eye illnesses. 6. Might enhance mood, focus, and memory. Grape consumption may improve memory and brain function. The mood and speed of memory-related skills were both improved 20 minutes after drinking 7.8 ounces, 230 ml, of grape juice in a study of healthy young adults. Resveratrol may prevent Alzheimer's disease by lowering inflammation in the brain. 7. Could promote bone health. Numerous minerals, including potassium, manganese, and vitamins B, C, and K, which help prevent osteoporosis, a disorder that results in weak bones, are found in grapes and are essential for bone health. 8. Might guard against fungus and bacteria. Numerous substances found in grapes may offer defense against dangerous bacteria. For instance, resveratrol possesses antibacterial characteristics that prevent the growth of fungi and bacteria. Additionally, it might safeguard against foodborne diseases. When added to different kinds of food, resveratrol aids in limiting the development of dangerous microorganisms. 9. Might prolong life and lessen the effects of aging. According to studies, resveratrol can imitate the positive benefits of calorie restriction, such as lowering oxidative stress, boosting stress tolerance, and improving inflammatory response, to delay the onset of aging. It has been demonstrated that the grape compound resveratrol activates genes linked to a delayed onset of aging and a longer lifespan. 10. Could reduce inflammation. Inflammation at low levels is a common body reaction, but chronic inflammation is a major factor in the emergence of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and autoimmune disorders. Noteworthy grape components with potent anti-inflammatory effects include anthocyanin and resveratrol. According to a study, these substances have the ability to reduce the expression of inflammatory indicators such as tumor necrosis factor alpha. However, research on grapes themselves is sparse. 11 may improve the health of the skin and hair. Your skin and hair may be protected in a number of ways by resveratrol. In reality, this substance has grown in popularity in cosmetic goods since it penetrates the skin's protective layer, boosts collagen levels, and guards against UV ray damage from exposure to the sun. Research indicates that resveratrol may potentially enhance hair growth because oxidative stress and inflammation contribute to hair loss. More research is required, but the antioxidant resveratrol found in grapes may shield your skin from harm and encourage hair growth. 12 may have effects that reduce obesity. Your risk of developing diabetes, heart disease, and cancer may all rise if you are obese. Notably, grape anthocyanins may have anti-obesity properties. Anthocyanins may inhibit body weight increase and decrease liver fat content, according to the study. 13 can help with indigestion. Constipation causes less frequent bowel movements than normal and a sense of incomplete elimination. Since dehydration is a frequent secondary cause of constipation, dietary modifications like increasing fiber and fluid consumption are crucial to treatment. Comparative to fruit juices, fiber in whole fruits, such as grapes, may dramatically alleviate constipation symptoms by shortening the time it takes for stool to pass through your colon and by increasing fecal weight and daily bowel movements. Grapes are a wonderful source of fiber and water and may ease constipation. 14 might promote sleep. There is evidence connecting nutrition and sleep directly. In fact, research has shown that grapes are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleep and controls your sleep-wake cycle. It's interesting to note that melatonin is mostly contained in grape skin, which explains why it can be found in things like grape juice and wine. The timing of melatonin intake is crucial to take into account because it interacts with your internal clock. Try to eat grapes early in the evening if you're eating them to fall asleep. Melatonin, a hormone that may enhance the quality of your sleep, may be found naturally in grapes. 15 simple to include in your diet. Grapes are scrumptious, adaptable, and simple to include in a balanced diet. Here are several methods for enjoying them. For a nutrient-rich smoothie, blend spinach, cucumber, banana, kale, and mint. It's simple to nibble on or include grapes in meals. In moderation, red wine and grape juice may also have advantages. Thank you all. We will catch you up next time with another new video that will boost your overall health. So please, subscribe, like, share and hit the notification icon.